Tree diagrams and probability. Always going to come up. So I've got 9 blue sweets and 8 green sweets. I take a sweet, munch it up, and then I take another one. What sort of questions can we ask about this? So let's work out the property of taking a blue sweet. Well, it's going to be 9 out of 9 plus 8 gives me 17. So 9 out of 17. A green sweet, I've got 8 greens, so it'll be 8 out of 17. Now, if I've eaten a blue sweet, then if I take another blue sweet, I don't have 9 anymore, I only have 8. And I don't have 17 sweets, I've only got 16. Green sweets, well, if I had a blue, then the greens are all there, but it's still only out of 16, but I will have the 8 that I started with. Let's go down to the bottom branch. So if I in fact have a green sweet, then the blues, you've got the same amount of blues, that is 9. But again, if you've eaten a sweetie, you've only got 16 left. You had a green sweetie because you've travelled down here, so you've got 1 less green sweetie, so you've now only got 7 sweets. Obviously we shouldn't really eat sweets anyway, they're bad for our teeth. And you should be cleaning your teeth after you've eaten sweets. Right, we would now work out some questions from this. So if I wanted the probability of eating a blue and a blue, notice that word and. So I'm going to do something like probability of blue and blue is going to be 9/17 times 8/16. This will probably be on the calculator paper, so you would then use your calculator to work this out. I'm not going to bother. Now, a more interesting question might be something like, what's the probability I have my 2 sweets are the same colour? So in other words, I get blue and blue, or I might get green and green, because they've got to be of the same colour. So we would go for blue and blue, just like the top bit. So 9 out of 17 times by 8 out of 16, and then you would need to add on, I'm running out of space, 8/17, I'll do it up here, times by 7/16. Okay, so you'd work at this on your calculator, work at this, and you add them together because I said the word or. So when you hear the word or, I'll write this down for you. So or, you need to think about adding, and you need to think about timesing. And remember, clean your teeth after those sweets.